One of the most popular home-based applications for the 300CS is tile and grout cleaning. Incidentally, vapor steam is ideal for use on smooth, non-porous ceramic tile, marble, and most non-porous floor surfaces. Notice just how dirty this tile floor is. For efficient tile floor cleaning, we will use the floor brush with a microfiber towel. Attaching the towel to the 12-inch floor brush is fast and easy. Watch as we steam mop the tile. The steam quickly attacks the dirt while the towel wipes up the displaced residue. Notice how the towel has absorbed the dirty residue from the tile. For cleaning larger tile surfaces, the towels can be turned over or replaced with ease. Daimer recommends microfiber towels as they can easily be washed and reused, and they absorb an abundant amount of water. The 300CS has made quick work of removing the filthy residue that was once on this tile floor, but the dirty grout lines still remain. For grout cleaning, simply remove the floor brush and attach the steam lance in nylon detail brush. The nylon brush is the most popular brush for grout cleaning in many other applications. Watch as we use the nylon detail brush in high temperature steam to force the embedded dirt to the surface. The residue can easily be wiped away by using a microfiber towel by hand or foot, or by using a dry mop if you wish. Both the tile and grout have been restored to like-new condition, making floors in the home shine. The before and after images speak for themselves.